guys, it's Miss Canales, and I'm here to share with you a very useful tech tip for your Google Chrome browser, and that is the very basic of pinning your tabs. It's surprising that a lot of us don't know how to do this and why it is useful. So, really quick, pinning your tabs just means that I know that we all use tabs on the daily, and we have all these tabs open. You can have your Google Classroom open, you're going to have your Drive open. A lot of you might have multiple classrooms open at one time. You could have your sites open, whatever project you're working on, maybe some important websites that you have, or not so important but beneficial and necessary, like Pandora or YouTube, or things like that that you use on the daily. Now, this list could keep going and going, but you get the idea. Now, when you pin a tab, all you do is you right click on that tab and you click pin. You click pin and you just literally pin them and it moves them over. It moves them over here. So that way you can see them and you can't close them. Okay, so you can close them, but not accidentally, is what I meant. So here you can right click, you can always unpin them or close them, but now they're saved here. And the beauty of this is that if you close your Chrome browser entirely and open it up again, these same tabs will always pop right up for you. So that is really cool, especially if you just are running late and you want to open up and have your email ready, your classes ready, your music ready, and you're ready to go for the day. So I hope you can use this tip in the future. And as always, if you ever need my help, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And you can find that by going to the library website, which is on our Hillcrest website, and you can follow all the different socials that are here. All right, so thank you for watching, and I hope to help you out in the future with some more tech tips.